Car maintenance might seem intimidating, but with a few basic tips and habits, keeping your vehicle in great condition becomes much easier and more rewarding, even for beginners. Regular car maintenance helps extend your car's lifespan, improves safety, and can save you from expensive repairs down the road. Start with the basics, like checking your oil every month and changing it as recommended by your manufacturer, typically every 3,000 to 5,000 miles for most vehicles. Engine oil lubricates the engine parts, preventing overheating and friction, and skipping this simple step can lead to severe engine damage. Don't overlook your tires. Keeping them properly inflated is essential for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. Use a pressure gauge to check your tire pressure monthly and before long trips, and ensure it matches the manufacturer's recommendations found in the owner's manual or on the driver's side door. Rotating your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles helps them wear evenly, extending their lifespan and improving your vehicle's handling. While you're at it, check your car's alignment. If you notice pulling to one side or uneven tread wear, a quick alignment adjustment can improve your ride quality and fuel economy. Next, keep an eye on the fluids. Beyond oil, there's coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. These are easy to check and top up, yet vital to your car's operation. Coolant regulates the engine temperature, so check it every few months to avoid overheating. Brake fluid ensures your brakes work effectively, so inspect it annually and top it off if it's low. Transmission fluid keeps your gear shifts smooth, and while it doesn't need frequent changing, make sure it's at the right level to avoid costly transmission issues. Additionally, keeping your windshield washer fluid full is essential for clear visibility, especially in bad weather. Inspect your car battery every few months, ensuring the terminals are clean and free from corrosion. Batteries usually last about 3 to 5 years, so if yours is older, be prepared for a replacement soon. Brakes are another crucial component. Listen for squealing or grinding sounds, and don't ignore them. These noises can indicate worn brake pads. Replace brake pads as needed to avoid damage to the brake rotors, which can be more costly to repair. Checking your lights, headlights, brake lights, and turn signals is an easy way to stay safe and avoid fines, so test them regularly and replace any burnt-out bulbs promptly. Finally, keeping your car clean inside and out isn't just about appearance. Washing and waxing your car regularly prevents rust and protects the paint. Vacuuming the interior and wiping down surfaces can prevent wear and tear and make your car a more pleasant space. Establishing a simple maintenance routine, such as checking fluids monthly, rotating tires every 6 months, and scheduling annual professional inspections, can keep your car running smoothly and reliably. While some tasks might seem complex, there are plenty of online resources, tutorials, and even community classes to help you learn. Over time, these small efforts add up, helping you enjoy a safer, more efficient, and well-maintained vehicle without breaking the bank. Car maintenance doesn't have to be overwhelming. By mastering these basics, you're on your way to keeping your car in top shape, reducing breakdowns, and enhancing your overall driving experience.